Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's up. It's your girl Quay. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We are in Miami, okay? And it is what, like probably like 9 in the morning. It's early. Last night was a long, well, yesterday was a long day. Last night was crazy. But today we're gonna do the beach. I think today's gonna be more of like a beach day. And then later on tonight, I made reservations for my birthday dinner pretty much. So that's when we get all cute, my birthday dress or whatever. You know, woke up with like a stuffy nose. I don't know what's that about. I think it's because when I did the hookah, I did a lot of hookah. And it was just me. My friend took part of a couple pulls, but yeah, I woke up with a stuffy nose. Hopefully that clears out. But yeah, everybody's just chilling. Nobody's really doing anything. So I'm trying to see when we're gonna start getting ready to go to this pool. To the beach. What am I talking about? So this bathing suit is from Pretty Little Things, but I'm not gonna wear it like this. It actually has to go like over like that. I just gotta pull the strap over, but this is switch the hair. I brought mad wigs with me, so synthetic to be exact. Okay, so you see how crossed over? Not too much showing, but it's still showing. We was supposed to go early, but Florida, like, their weather is so freaking weird, it's not even funny. What do you mean? Ice, the berg, shit in your ear, the toes. What you mean?
Keep going. Obviously, she got bad lungs. You're supposed to chase the whole thing.
Chase the whole thing. You're not supposed.
No, with the straw.
Wow.
I am! All my acid is coming up.
That's what I told you. Now, look, put the straw like this. Go all the way up.
Up, Quay.
There you go. Now finish.
You think it's gonna wait.
There you go.
Keep it going. You ain't done. You cheating.
I told her the acid is what she should have used juice. You can't stop soda like that.
It's not as bad though.
Wheelchair going home.
Well, they got it.
I gotta go back to work. Shit.
It's close.
I already fucking twist my ankle. I have a hook back,
Exactly.
fucked up ankle.
See,
and no
you make the ugly face.
See, you would have used that take shot.
Oh, you
did
took the
that.
regular shot?
You would
Come
have.
on, girl. You gotta experience the thing just so you want to get it. You might want to buy it. They even know that you can get fucked up without getting fucked up.
No, you get fucked up without tasting. You get fucked up.
It tastes like soap. What?
Sing it, Goldie.
Your heart is true. You're a pearl and a confidant. One you knew. You would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card attached would say thank you for being a friend.
All right.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Y'all won't believe what happened to me. Guess. Crazy. I just flashed the whole Miami Beach. I flashed the whole Miami Beach with the quadruple D's. Like, I was doing good. You know what I'm saying? I was jumping when the waves were coming. And all of a sudden, I got hit. Synthetica is wet. Run the clip.
Quinita's whole breast came out. Entire breast. Original crispy.
Crazy. What a crazy day already, okay? It was cool, there was relaxing, some laughs, as y'all seen, some incidents, but tonight we are going to dinner for my birthday, pre-dinner for my birthday. My birthday is August 22nd, so it's gonna be Tuesday. And yeah, so right now we just got back. I'm ready to go take a shower, relax a little bit, and then later on we are going to eat. I made reservations for this place called Victory Lounge. I think it's like in downtown Miami. And oh, excuse me. Reservation is like at 9:15. Guys, enjoyed this video. I hope you guys subscribe to your girl's channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be the birthday video. Okay, because we are going out tonight. Okay, bye.